So we're gonna jump right into this video. I'm just showing you guys all the products I'm using today. I'm trying out the Ghost Bond Extreme Cream for the first time. I just wanted to try something different. You guys know I love my Erica J. So here's the wig we're using today. It's from Nadula hair. You guys, this hair was actually really awesome. It dyed jet black super easily, as you can see, and the lace on it was really nice. I think my only issue with it was I kind of over plucked it because it looks really natural to begin with, and I've worn this wig a couple times since, and it's like I just kind of over plucked it. Like I plucked it kind of far back, but that's okay. So let's get into this install. This install was super easy because it's only a 5x5 closure. So you guys see me just lining it out. I'm not gonna talk this whole video because you guys, it's kind of self-explanatory. But yeah, I'm just lining it out, and I'm gonna apply the glue. I will say this glue was super duper thick, and it threw me off at first, but I made it work. I will say as the day went on, the end pieces, or like the sides of the 5x5, lifted a little bit. I'm not sure if that's because I was sweating a lot. I am in Louisiana, so that might be why. I don't know if you guys can tell how thick it is right here, but it is really thick. But just keep on watching, and we're gonna get through this. As you guys just saw, I pointed out like some areas were taking forever to dry. Like I did 3 layers and there were still like parts that were not drying. There was one piece after I laid it with my elastic band that still was kind of like milky looking, but it worked out. Yeah, it was a little bothersome at first, but it eventually dried and worked itself out. So yeah, those 2 little pieces in the front were not dry, but they weren't, or they were not clear, but they weren't clear when I laid it either. So it's kind of my own fault. But I didn't want it to keep letting it get clear because it was taking a long time, and I didn't want the other parts of it to like dry completely, which is what I think happened anyway. Because like I said earlier, as the day went on, my sides kind of lifted because they were basically dry. It was just some of those middle parts that weren't dry. Maybe I put like too thick of layers, but this cream itself is like super thick anyway, so it's kind of hard to not do thick layers. But it stuck really well. Like once it was in the glue, it was stuck, just like Erica J. So that was nice. So all I did was lay this with a silk scarf and straighten it. So that took about 30 minutes. So the scarf laid on here for about 30 minutes. And we still had some like white residue in the front from the glue not drying all the way. Eventually, you know, I got it to melt and lay the way I wanted it to. It just took some time. So I'm gonna get into the baby hair. I think I only like filmed me doing one side of the baby hair. This was actually pretty difficult. Doing baby hair on the closure where like the lace abruptly stops was kind of difficult for me. This is something I'm gonna have to like figure out how to do and finesse it more in the future. The times since I've worn this wig, the first time, it's becoming harder and harder to do the baby hairs and just to lay it in general because of the way I put the hairline. And I think my biggest thing is I'm not too big of like hair being all in my face. So if I ever did do this again, maybe a 6x6, or I might just be a frontal girl. So that was my favorite part of this install, you guys. That foaming lace tint, best lace tint for me personally. It's so easy to apply. It's the perfect color for my skin tone. And I believe that bottle was $15. I'll make sure to link it down below for you guys. But it works super easily. And I've used this like 1,000 times now. And I'm not even halfway through the bottle. Literally one pump is enough to do the whole thing. And here's the end result. Hey y'all, so this is the final look. I am loving it. I am loving this hair. It does not tangle. This jet black color I am loving. I'm totally feeling myself right now. I gotta change my shirt because this does not go. But other than that, y'all, this hair is bomb. So let me see. I bleached the knots. I dyed it jet black. I literally let it sit for like 4 hours. I used both the Adora jet black and the Kiss Temptation jet black. So I did use both of those, mixed them, and dyed this whole freaking thing. So yeah, you guys, the hair for me is a 10 out of 10. The lace was really nice. The lace was like super close to my skin color. It was just a tad bit off, which is why I used that lace tint foam, which I'll get to that in a minute. But yeah, you guys, this hair is bomb. Barely shed even after the bleaching the knots and the dyeing and everything else. Plucking was fairly easy. It was already pre-plucked slightly. I just plucked a little bit more, and you know, it's not a lot to pluck, so you know, it's not really all that hard. But yeah, you guys, this hair is amazing. I love it. This jet black, like, this is the first time I've ever dyed jet black that actually shows up like this is jet black, you know what I mean? Like a lot of wigs, well, not a lot of wigs, but I've only dyed about 3 wigs jet black, and the other 2 that I dyed jet black don't look this deep of a black. You guys will see in one of my next videos, because I dyed this wig another with jet black, and this one came out darker. That wig did get darker, but it's a different kind of black. I'm not sure what it is. Anyway, moving on, because I am running out of storage on my camera. We were also here to review the Ghost Bond. So I will say this stuff is super thick, like thick, okay? So that was one thing. I probably could have been fine with 2 layers, and then I'm not gonna say it took long to dry, but some places were taking long to dry. Like you see, I had a hard trouble with that one spot in the front, so that was kind of annoying. But like, just like the Erica J glue, like when it's down, like it's in there. Like once you put it in there, it's in there. It did take a bit to, like, you know, like when you put the wrap on, you take it off, you expect it to be like dry. It did take a minute to get dry. Like it's dry right now, it's not sticky or anything. But I'll see how it holds up, but so far so good. I was kind of scared of it lifting when I put that spray foam on it, or even when I put the Erica J styling foam on it, but we've had no problems. So yeah, we'll see about this glue. I want to try this the Supreme version of this. I heard that one is like really good, especially for like if you're working out or something of that nature. But yeah, so far so good. We'll see how it goes. That little one thing was annoying, but I guess it's my first time using it, so I'd have to probably get used to the product because, like I said, it's super duper thick. So that's something to be cautious of. Next thing to review. So this product I discovered on Instagram. Well, a friend of mine discovered on Instagram. She told me about it and I immediately purchased it because I loved how innovative it was and different it was. The product itself was $15, shipping was $10, so overall it was $25, which I was kind of like, ooh, about that shipping, but you know, it's all good. Especially now that I actually like the product. So you guys saw my reaction to the video when I put this on and I rubbed it in and I was like, yo, this is, yo. She has 3 different shades. This is the medium. There's light, medium, dark, I believe. I think she kept it real simple, light, medium, dark. But yo, this is legit. Like, I am so feeling this. I'll leave the link down below for this product if you guys want to try it. I'm really glad it didn't like lift the lace or anything like that. So that's awesome. But yeah, overall, you know, so far so good. All the products we tried today, so far so good. A little bit of error with the glue, but you know, it's to be expected your first time trying out a glue. I'll let you guys know how this hair holds up. If you have any questions, leave down in the description. This hair is 24 inches, 5x5 lace. And yeah, that is that. I'm kind of in a rush because I have somewhere to be, clearly, because I look way too good to be staying in the house. Let me relax. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And peace. Give y'all one more little look through. Okay, y'all don't even know. Y'all don't even know. Hairisbomb.com. Bye.